Hello, my name is Anton, I'm from Welding Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to weld a field weld with a stick weld.
Hello, my name is Kalle, I'm from Welding Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to grind a metal piece clean from all the rust.
Hello, my name is Joachim and I'm from Inspecta. I'm going to do the bending test on the fillet weld they welded today.
I'm gonna grind here and here because the weld is going here.
Now I'm going to begin taking up two metal pieces. Fyller på honom?
Nope.
Ja, du fyller på. Now I'm going to begin with the root pass on the field weld. Now I'm going to use a shipping hammer to get rid of the layers. Now I'm going to use a wire brush to get rid of all the dust. Now in front of you have a clean root pass. Now I'm gonna start laying down the hot pass with 130 amps with a 3.2 electrode, and I'm gonna start at the bottom. Now I'm going to use the shipping hammer again to get rid of all the layer of slag. Now I'm going to use a wire brush to get rid of all the dirt. And here you can see the finished one.
It looks very good, Anton.
And now again I'm gonna use the shipping hammer to get rid of the layer of slag. And then again I'm gonna use a wire brush to get rid of the dust.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how to grind a root pass. Come along. grind and restart.
Jag tummen upp alltså. Gryt, jag tummen upp här. Jag tummen upp. Ja, good.
Continue with the welding. Now I'm going to use the shift camera again to get rid of the slag. I'm going to use a wire brush to get rid of all the dust. And this is the finished weld.
Joachim in the inspect office. Follow me.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Kalle.
Yeah, you okay?
I have a fillet weld I want you to do a bend test on.
Yeah, okay.
Here we
Of
go.
course, of course. Yeah, it's looking good. There was some slag, but it was easy to get rid of, so it's not that big of a problem. Before we test it, we want to grind between the two welds over here, and then also get rid of the tacks. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully it will hold, and yeah, let's go and grind and then so now let's go in and grind this shit up. Yeah, okay, so first of all we have to change the grinding disc to a cutting disc. But you have to open it like this, and then you get it out and get the cutting disc and then tap it on like that, and then always do this one. So when you grind it, it will not jump around. So let's do this. And then the tack. Have something like this. So, okay, let's test it. Let's start with press the machine on. Do it over here, and then you move back here. You use this part to hold it down like this, and then you press this, folds you, and you see this thing comes down. And then it will press the metal so it bends, and then we can see the inside of the weld. So yeah, let's go. And you have to go up and down so it don't bend. This part. You see, we have it open, and then a little trick I use in my home is this. You just take it one fast like this, and then you get it more open like that. Easier to see what's inside. So, stop. As you can see, Anton, you haven't burned the edge.
Yes.
So I have to say you have to do it again.
Okay.
But there's no pores or any gas problems in here, so stay on the same amps and well like you do, but try to grind this one better.
Okay.
So you get the edge next time.
Yes.
As you can see, you haven't burned the edge. You have burned the edge right here, but not over here. So you have to do it again. So this is everything of welding tips and tricks for today. See you next week on the next movie.